Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Cornerstone. We're a whole home service provider offering AC, plumbing, and electrical services. In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the basic functions and how to properly set your thermostat to your desired needs. Okay guys, so right now our thermostat is set to off. So what we're going to do is go ahead and press our mode button here. As you see, it went to heat. So today we're going to look for some cooling. So we're going to go press it again until it hits the cooling. My indoor temperature that it's actually reading inside the house today is 73. My temperature that I'm setting it to is 72 degrees. I want it to go down to 70. So what I'm going to do is press the minus until it goes to 70 and wait a couple minutes for the time delay for the system itself to come on. We also have the features with our fan here. So we recommend keeping the fan on auto during the warmer time of the year. Only time we really would ever recommend doing the fan on is if during the cooler time of the year you have some windows open and you just really want to circulate some air throughout the house. If not, always keep it on auto, not circulate like so. That way the system comes on and off, or the fan itself comes on and off with the system and it's not stuck running constantly. So if you were to change the unit from cool now down to heat, we'd press the mode, go back to our heat, and then bump up our temperature to whatever our desired heat temperature may be. So with this particular thermostat, you can also program it to come on and off at certain times of the day. With doing that, you'd have to go through the menu here, hit your programming. You can also set time, date, Fahrenheit, Celsius. But with the programming here, we're gonna hit select. This one is off, we're gonna go on. And then as you see, we can go through each individual day and set the temperature at any particular time that you want the unit to run. Once you're done with the programming and everything, go ahead and hit save, and then set whatever desired temperature you may want with the unit itself. All right, guys, so that's some of the basic features and just how to properly set the thermostat to your guys' desired needs. If there's any questions you have with the thermostat itself, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Our main number is 813-949-4445, or book an appointment today at our main website at cornerstonepros.com. See you guys later.